guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing of the Impala roller skates. What are you doing?
I'm doing my roller skates.
Come sit over here.
I'm sitting laughing.
Okay. The reason why I want to get it is because my niece and nephew, they've been doing a lot of roller skating and stuff, and so I thought I'd join them. So without any further ado, let's get this going. Let's open these boxes.
If you didn't have roller skates, you'll be so slow because it will be fast because there's wheels.
Yeah, and I'm also trying to learn how to roller skate too.
We learned how already.
I know you did.
I didn't. We don't need anyone to help us.
I know. And actually, the thing is that I have roller skated before, but every time I went with my friends, I would always fall, and so I thought maybe I should learn how to roller skate. I've also bought some pads here, some knee pads, elbow pads, just in case, because I really don't want to hurt myself.
Yeah, because we hurt ourselves once. I hurt my booty when I fall down on the roller skates. Yeah, when I fall down on the roller skates. It just hurt my booty. Oh,
This looks so cool. All right, so we're gonna
take this out.
ta-da! Wait, let's show them the box first. I move it up.
Can you see this roller skate?
This is the box, how it looks like.
I got it.
Okay, hold on. Oh,
Open these pair of roller skates.
I got these in white, and they come in teal.
And they come with heels.
Yeah, come in teal laces. But the thing is that it's a little heavy, so I don't know. We'll have to see how this goes.
Look at this pair of roller skates.
And I'm excited to put these on.
I have one of skate.
What?
I have
Can you tell me what colors your skates are, Miss Adeline?
It's purple. My brother's roller skates. It's red.
Ooh, I'm so excited.
It was
Oh, you're gonna help me open? Be careful, I don't want you to hurt yourself. Okay, let me open this first. Okay, there you go. So what's in here? Wait. Ooh.
Ew.
You wanna show them? These are some pastel pads for your knees, your elbows, and your wrists.
We have those too.
Wrist guards, huh? You have these too? Wrist guards?
Yeah, I know. We have this too. We can protect
The
our
only thing I'm missing are some butt pads, because you know, trying to protect my derriere, because I don't have any. And actually, I'm kind of nervous. I'm not sure how it's gonna fit with the skates. Let's see. Are you excited?
Yeah.
You're gonna go roller skate? Are you gonna teach me how to roller skate?
Yeah. You just have to glide and that's it.
Just have to glide?
Yeah, just have to glide.
They look a little big on me, huh? I don't know. But we're gonna have to put on some socks.
Fit you.
You think it's gonna fit me?
Yeah.
Well, we have to put all the laces together first.
I did put the...
Here, you wanna help me cut this? Do you know how to cut? Do you know how to use the scissors? No, Miss Adeline. Here. Cut along the edges here. Ooh.
Body.
Ooh, what colors are these?
Rainbow and white.
Rainbow
On white.
and
White. Over here with me.
ooh.
Black. Wanda.
Okay, move closer so they can see what we've got.
We got this. There's another one inside.
Huh?
There was another one inside.
Yeah, let's put these laces together. We're gonna put these laces together, so we'll be right back. All right, guys, I'm back. So I just finish lacing them. So they look like this. And I'm gonna put them on to see if they fit. I got them in a size 6 and I'm usually a size 6. And let me see. Since right now I'm not wearing any socks, there are some room in here. But I think once I wear some thick socks, it's gonna fit perfectly. And I like this thing right here where it protects your ankle just in case if you fall or something like that, you won't twist your ankle by accident. And yeah, I really like the color. I think it's maybe like leather, but I'm really excited to go roller skating with my niece and nephew. I'm gonna have a separate video of them teaching me how to roller skate, so stay tuned. All right, that's it guys. I will see you in the next video. If you guys like this video, please hit the thumbs up button, subscribe, and comment down below. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.